Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can read an existing Excel file. So first we can see we have a Excel sample. If I open this one, so we can see there is one sheet called test, and we have three rows. One is header row, and then two value rows. So now we will open this Excel sample using Apache POI and print all the rows to the console. Okay, first we'll create the class called Excel Reader. Let me create a main method. Now I'm creating the object for Excel Reader. Reader dot read Excel is a method that I'm going to create. Now I will go with the workbook, Excel workbook, new. Since this is XLSX file, we need to use XSSF workbook. If I go to this constructor, here you can see it accepts input stream. So always use this constructor to avoid any errors while overriding the existing Excel file. New file input stream. I will copy name of the Excel. So now I will catch the throw the exception, and then I will throw the exception. So next thing is we need to get the sheets from this Excel workbook. Excel workbook dot get number of sheets. So this will give you the number of sheets that are present in the Excel file. So in our Excel file, Excel sample, we have only one sheet. Now I will iterate through all the sheets. Int I equal to 0, I less than number of sheets, I plus plus. Now I will say workbook dot get sheet at I. So this will give you sheet at the current index. Which means now at the 0 index we are fetching the first sheet in the Excel workbook. Now we'll read the number of records from the sheet. Sheet dot get physical number of rows. I will name as row count. This will give you the number of rows that are existing in the Excel sheet. I will iterate through each row and then I will print each row. J equal to 0, J less than row count, J plus plus, and then sheet dot get row at get row, and you need to pass the index J. This will be row. Now we are at the first row. Now we need to get the number of cells in this row. Row dot get physical number of cells will give you the cell count for int k equal to 0, k less than cell count. Okay, plus plus. So now we are iterating through each cell. Now I will print cell to the each cell value to the console. S out row dot get cell and then pass the index dot toString. So this row dot get cell will give you the cell object, and then if you do toString, it will return the string representation of that cell. So instead of adding each cell to the new row, I will separate each cell with the tab. And then I will print the new line. Now let us run the code. I will put a debug pointer here. Say debug. So now we can see there are only one sheet in this Excel workbook. And this Excel sheet has 3 rows. And then the first row has 3 cells. And then I'm printing the value of each cell to the console. So all the header 1, header 2 and header 3 are printed to the console, and then I'm printing new line. Now I'm printing value 1, value 2, value 3. Now this is the third row, first cell, and this is second cell in the third row, and this is the third cell value in the third row. Okay, that's it. Now we read all the records, all the sheets, and then all the records, and then all the cell values. Okay, that is for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.